If you had a system to differentiate levels like a world map, you can create multiple levels. From the project content browser, find the level asset and right-click on it, and select Duplicate. Name it Level 2. When you duplicate any level, it uses the same properties and blueprints. But we can go into the level blueprint and tweak something special about it. Open up the new Level 2. If you have to save any work, do so. From the top toolbar, use the Blueprints button to drop down and select Open Level Blueprint. Changing the level blueprint script will only be seen when playing this level. Locate the Begin Play event here to bring up the game screen. Drag a connection from the return value in the Create HUD widget, and find Set Row from the Actions menu. You can do the same thing for the column, or you can do the same thing for the random pool. If you get the random pool variable, you can drag a connection and find Add or Remove. Once you are satisfied with your logic chain, drag a connection from the return value again, and find Generate Game Grid from the Actions menu. This will change the grid size and random pool members from the level blueprint before we call the Generate Grid function to have the level have its own kind of feel. If you do have more levels, be sure to change the level name to Transition when the user wins.